Most people get this wrong. They think MoneyLift is just a simple payday advance app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that MoneyLift has expanded into a full-featured financial platform combining early wage access, installment payment plans, and spending insights to help users manage their money more efficiently. Here's how it works. MoneyLift lets you access part of your earned wages before payday, usually in a few hours. This is perfect for handling unexpected bills, urgent expenses, or emergencies without turning to high-interest credit cards. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller payments, making monthly budgeting simpler and more predictable. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can track advances, view repayment schedules, and analyze your spending patterns. Push notifications help ensure you stay on track with repayments, preventing late fees, and promoting better financial habits. The downside? Relying too heavily on MoneyLift can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can accumulate fees, so it's best considered a short-term financial aid rather than a long-term solution. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications enabled for repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash for one help managing larger purchases. Those with inconsistent income or poor repayment discipline may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, MoneyLift in 2026 is a useful, flexible tool if used wisely. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable financial tips that keep you in control.